Hey guys, it's Rita. I have a quick DIY for you today. These signs I have here I had picked up at Goodwill, and they were attached with some ribbon. I've taken that ribbon out and I'm going to give them 2 to 3 coats of chalk paint, and that's just the white Waverly chalk paint. Let it dry between each coat and then we'll go from there. And I am just painting the front and the sides. I left the back as is. So for the month of April, it's called VEDA. It's Video Every Day in April. And I'm going to try to come up with something every day to put out. But if you guys have any ideas of DIYs or cooking or anything you would like to see me do, just put it in the comments below and I'll see what I can come up with. And here's the second coat. I'm going to be attaching some signs that I hauled from Target, and I showed those in one of my Target hauls. I'll put that link above if you want to check out that haul. Here are those signs from Target. I've just attached them with some hot glue. I lost some footage, but if you see that little knife laying there, those tabs right beside it were on the back of the signs, and I just popped those off. Now I'm going to use some twine and go around this sign that's going to be in the middle. I went all the way around with the twine on this one, and on the other two I just used it down both sides. I tried some ribbon and I wanted something different, but I couldn't find anything that looked right, so this is what I ended up with. Now this is where I had placed the ribbon and I didn't like it, so I put some twine over it. It still didn't look right, so I ended up ripping that off and just putting twine down the side. Now I am going to use the ribbon to attach the signs together, and then I'll also use some at the top as a hanger. As you'll see at the end of the video, I'm having a hard time deciding where to hang this. Put in the comments below where you would put it in your home. Also, if you have any ideas of what you would have used besides the jute twine and ribbon, let me know in the comments below. I did have to hot glue this down in the back so it wouldn't pull through. So here it is on the inside of my front door. I'm not sure what I did with my camera, but I have you sideways. I'm not going to leave this here. I'm also going to show it to you on the front door outside. It was dark outside, so I hope you can see it well enough. I really don't know where I'm going to place this in the house. You can leave it like this, or you could use these as separate signs, either way. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. Like, share, and comment. I hope you guys have a great night, and I'll put a picture in here too so you can see it right side up. Thank you so much for watching.